Hello everybody, it's Yoshi here and welcome to Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Yeah, that's all you need to know about the game. That's all you need to know. Why am I not playing? Okay, I'll explain everything else later. 5 days until the party. What party? Hi going Freddy. You going to a party? You going to that party? What did he do this time? He does it every day. He locked you in your room again, period. Oh, who is he? Don't be scared, I'm with you. Actually, I'm freaking out because there are creepy laughs. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, his eyes are following me. Okay. Okay, he does not have a... These are my friends. No, actually, I had 1, 2, and 3 on the iPad. They're not my friends. I assure you, people out there, these people are not going to be your friends. They're not nice people. What up? Oh. Am I Foxy? I know about Five Nights at Freddy's. I love this series. Okay, now I'm trying because I couldn't open a door. Tomorrow is another day. Well, today is a night. 5 Nights at Freddy's. Night 1 in cursive. That's beautiful cursive you have, Scott. This is made by Scott Cawthon. That's why I said Scott. Ooh, I'm getting creeped out. The music at the beginning was so eerie. It made me... Oh, I get the creeps. Okay, what do I have to click or? Okay, click here to, okay. Well, that was slow. Hello? Okay, listen carefully. If you hear breathing, hold the door shut. Shift, okay. You hold. Oh, okay. So, like, that's to close the door. Oh, this is cool. Okay. This one here to the door. Hello. Hello. What, do I have, like, a limited power? I don't think I do. Flick mouse downward. Hello? Oh! Hey! Okay. Wow, that's so cool, though. And let's come here. Hello? Oh yeah, it's shift. Gosh, I'm not used to these controls. Okay. No phone calls coming in. Dude, that's starting to get a little creepy. Anybody behind me? What's that sound? What's that sound? No, I heard that sound. Is it? No one's behind. It's 2 a.m. Oh, I'm getting so creeped out. Oh, I just had a heartbeat, 1 heartbeat. It said if you hear breathing, hold the door shut using shift. Gosh, can you turn off the music? Because I need to hear breathing, apparently. When I come to that, like, I don't know if it's like the same as Five Nights at Freddy's 1 where left is Bonnie, right is Chica. Yeah, I do know that left is Bonnie, right is Chica, but... Okay, it's 3. I'm halfway down already. Shouldn't be a problem. Definitely not. I'm definitely not gonna die. Chica, you in the kitchen? I heard that. Okay, I shouldn't be scared. I don't want to know about Java right now, you know that? I'm playing FNAF. Oh my gosh, that was twice now. I'm gonna die. It's 4. Okay. Hey guys, you don't do that to me. Who is that? Is that like Freddy or something? Chica, you still in the kitchen? You want some toast? No, you give me toast. That's what you do, because you're in the kitchen. You like making... Hello? Yeah. So I guess that if I hear that clanking, that means that she's in the kitchen. I don't need to worry. I wonder if like... I don't know, I thought I heard something, honestly. I honestly thought I heard something. I'm not sure if that was breathing. I'm not sure if that was my mind just killing me because I know that I'm going to be haunted. There's a dog? You're a god dog? Because you see Foxy, Bonnie, you see those guys coming in? You should have told me. You should have told me. Is that a cricket chirping? Am I gonna die? Am I doomed? Am I doomed? Hey, I just saw flowers. Hey, no. Last time I just saw flowers. That was not there. Bonnie, you there? Chica, you there? Freddy, you there? Foxy, you there? What, Foxy, you in the closet? No? Oh! First night! It'll take 2 tries for the second night! There's still more to this game. 4 days until the party of FNAF. Okay, so you know he's hiding again. Well, I guess that we'll just stop it right here. We'll do a night per episode, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you were not spooked out. Luckily, I was not scared. I was not spooked out of my mind. But hey, that's not no. But this is Final Fantasy 4. I got this game on Steam. You know, it's like $8. It's cool, you know. And I just got it today. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed FNAF and look forward for me dying in the next episode because hopefully I will not. Cut!